The Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity COCOMI has urged all concerned to allow displaced Meitei people access to their home villages by August 30. Security forces have been denying displaced Meitei people access to their houses burned down by COCOMI militants. However, security forces have been acting as mute spectators when COCOMI militants and their supporters burned down and looted the abandoned Meitei houses every now and then, COCOMI alleged in a statement. All these days, Meitei people have been silently bearing this atrocity and partisan attitude of the security forces with hope that security forces would one day protect their homes. But now, this atrocity has crossed all the limits of tolerance. If the Meitei people are not given access to their homes by August 30, the displaced people would homes village Shund, starting from Torbung, Bangla. It said the authorities concerned should bear responsibility for any untoward incident resulting thereof, COCOMI said.